which meditation processes are your favorite? And which ones would you like to do regularly? And are there any particular ones that you want to work into the schedule that you've already identified for yourself? And then once you realize which ones those are, ask yourself what supplies or audio files are you going to need, and how are you going to make sure that they're always available for you? And then you also want to consider accountability, because the best thing you can do to keep up any new habit is to create accountability for yourself. So for example, you can start a new habit with a friend or a family member and be each other's accountability partner. And of course you can do it together, but it could even just be someone that you're going to check in with regularly in the morning or the evening to see how the new habit's going. And it's going to help you both follow through if you're doing this together. And you can also give yourself a reward for your accomplishment of reaching your meditation goals. Because of course, meditation itself is a reward, but if you are starting any new habit, if you give yourself a reward every time that you achieve it, it helps ingrain the motivation to continue. So for example, after every meditation, you can give yourself a piece of chocolate, or you can put on your favorite song and dance around, or have your favorite coffee, or anything else that might serve as a reward for yourself.
Check out the link in our bio to save 50% on life coach certifications and courses.